guys, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I am your host Ida, and today we're going to do another Valentine's Day DIY, quick and easy. Trying to get all of the Valentine's Day DIYs out of the way ahead of time so we can do some home decor next. So let's jump right into this one. The first thing you're going to need is a floor pot. This comes from Dollar Tree. And if you can't find a floor pot, you can use this type of pot as well. This came from the Target's Christmas section. I got it at 90% off. It was regularly $3, so I paid 30 cents for it. And I just used it at its natural color on this one. So this is what we're going to be making. And if you remember the old-timey bubblegum machines that you had, or the banks, then this is what we're going to make. This right here. And that's a better angle anyway. So like I said, so if you want to stick around to see how we make it, just continue to watch. So the pot, a clear large ornament bulb, and if you can't find these anymore, because these came from the Dollar Tree and I got them when the Christmas stuff was clearance, you can also use this type of jar. This is also a Christmas jar from Dollar Tree, but they carry jars like this. They have the glass ones that are like this. So if you can't find this or this, you can also get the glass one. And you just have to figure out a way to cover this part up to make it to look just like the bubblegum machine. Some candies, whatever kind of candies you would like that would fit down inside the top of this. Some decorative ribbon. Mine says I love you. Some whatever type of embellishments you want to actually embellish your jar. I'm going to use some hearts as well as the ribbon. Your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. And scissors. And it depends on what type of embellishments you use. You're going to, you may need your Mod Podge. But the first thing I did, now let me tell you about this bowl. Dollar Tree has these flower pots and it's a year-round thing. And if you look on the inside of it, you see that this one was black. And the first thing I did was spray paint this red. You can leave it black. They have them in black, green, brown, and I think blue. So they have several different colors. So you don't have to just make this project for Valentine's Day. You can make it for a birthday as well. So this is one of those things, one of these DIYs that will do for not just Valentine's Day. So as I said, I spray painted my flower pot red. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and embellish my jar. I did my nails over, guys, and I used some nails that I got from, I think it was Family Dollar, and they was a press-on nail, but I wanted to put glue on them, and lo and behold, that did not work out well because they're popping off left and right. So I'm gonna have to do my nails over again. And you want to find a place. I'm gonna do mine down here, probably at the base. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this hearts that come from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to pull some of them off the stem. And let's just see what it looks like with some leaves behind it. What you guys think? No, I'm gonna just stick with the, and I'm going to stick it right here. And I think I'm gonna put another one right above it. And then I am going to take some of these hearts that come from, I think these came from Dollar Tree as well. And these are the hearts that has, what do you call it? Glitter on them. Lord, I had a brain freeze. And I'm going to put them right around here. Okay. So that's all the embellishments I'm going to put around it for now. I may go back in and put a little bit more on it. So the next thing you do is easy peasy too. I told you these are so easy. I'm going to put some hot glue on the top. Make sure it's in the center. And I am going to place and doesn't it look like the gumball machines? Oh, I think it's so neat. Neat. And you don't even have to use ribbon if you don't want to. And then the next thing you do is you just open up the top. And see, I put bubble gum in this one. This one has bubble gum in it. And this has the pink, red, and white decorations. And it also has some glitter on the top as well. And I'm gonna pour it into my jar. You can decorate it, give it to them for Valentine's Day, but it doesn't have to be a Valentine's Day decor. So they can have something sitting in their beauty room, or if it's a teacher, on their desk, so the children can get treats off of it. So obviously I needed more than one thing of sweet tarts. And then all you do is pinch your lid again. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna embellish my top. I'm going to I don't know if I have any red glitter, but I'm probably gonna put red glitter on the top of this, Mod Podge it, and then put red glitter on the top of it. Or actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop this back on. And you can also decorate the ball part as well. And I'm gonna take a couple more of these red ones. And I'm gonna put it back to back on the tips of this like this. So I am going to put some hot glue on the top of them first and put the two top parts together and leave the bottom open. And then I'm going to put a little bit on either side and slide it onto the and pinch it together. And there we go. Our Valentine's Day candy made. And you're welcome to put some cardboard down here at the bottom so it can be enclosed in, but I think this is really nice, simple, and easy. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I see you. Bye-bye. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.